the Tesla Cybertruck. It was promised to be the future. Bulletproof, stainless steel, a revolution on wheels. Elon Musk told us it would change everything. But now, as the first few thousand Cybertrucks hit the streets of Miami and Los Angeles, the reality is starting to look a little rusty. So what is this thing really? A masterpiece of engineering? Or a $100,000 social experiment that we all fell for? Let's talk money, because in America, status is everything. People paid double, even triple the MSRP just to be first, just to park this Polygon in their driveway. But here's the reality check. Insurance companies are terrified of it. Repair costs? Don't even ask. A simple fender bender could keep your truck in the shop for months. You're not just buying a truck, you're buying a lifetime subscription to Tesla's service center. And then there's the off-road lie. We were shown cinematic shots of this beast conquering the wild. But the internet tells a different story. Cybertrucks stuck in basic sand dunes, being towed by old Ford pickups. For a vehicle that looks like it belongs on Mars, it's struggling way too much with life on Earth. The stainless steel, a fingerprint magnet, the panel gaps, wide enough to fit a finger through, and the bulletproof glass. Yeah, we all remember that moment. Now compare this to a Range Rover or a Rivian. Those feel refined, built by people who genuinely love cars. The Cybertruck feels like an iPad on wheels, trying very hard to be cool. When you drive one, you feel exposed. Everyone is watching, waiting for something to go wrong. And that's the emotional burden of owning the future. It's not exciting. It's exhausting. So, is the Cybertruck a total disaster? Not exactly. It's fast, it's aggressive, and it's undeniably bold. But for the average person in London or Toronto, it's just not practical. The Cybertruck didn't just break its windows at launch. It broke the way we think about cars. So the real question is, would you trust your $100,000 to a truck that's still in beta mode? Let me know in the comments, because this debate is only getting started.